Hello everybody, uh, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. A little late, but yeah, haven't took down the tree yet, because I lost track of time or something. But I have a bike check for you guys today, because I got a shit ton of new parts, so I'll start from the top and move my way in and down. I got never mind, I have Cult bar ends with the ODI extra long necks. I cut them, or else they would go into here, because they're freaking huge. And I got Primo Sasquatch bars, Sasquatch bars, whatever you want to say. Sasquatch sounds cooler. But they got 8.5 rise, and they got a tapered crossbar. They're unique. I like them. No one else really has them. So yeah. And I got a Shadow strike stem, top load in white. And I got a little blue FSA headset to mix up the two whites, and a Primo headset. And I got Demolition Elite forks. They are Rob Wise signatures. They're sick. I haven't really rolled them that much. But yeah, then I will go to my wheel now. I got the Primo N4FL hub, the version 2, with Primo spokes and black nipples, and Odyssey hazard light rim with a Demolition 2.35 wrapping that up. The thing's fat. Then I will move back now. Or no, sorry, I got a Animal Butcher peg on this side, brand new. A Cult Doomsday peg on this side. And another Animal Butcher peg back here, which is old as fuck. It looks like shit. So yeah. And my frame is a stock Sabrosa Arum frame, 2012. It's the only stock part left on this here bike. I need to get rid of it eventually. But yeah. Moving back, for my seat, I got the Fiend Fat seat. It's like a couch. Makes my butthole happy. But then I got the Animal Butcher, or the Animal some sort of post. I have no idea what it is, but it's blue. I got my Lucky Charm thing. Then I got Odyssey JCP C pedals. I hate them. They kill my shins. I'm gonna need to get like a skin graft on my shin because of this frickin' pedal. But yeah. Then I got Profile GDH cranks. Yeah, they're sick. And then on this side I got Shadow Crow sprocket. It's brand new. They just came out with it not too long ago. It's pretty sick. And then a Mechanics half-track chain. Yeah, it's not too bad either. And then I got my back wheel is a Primo Remix hub with Primo spokes, more black nipples, and an Odyssey hazard light with a 2.2 Demolition Momentum tire. If you come here, I'll give you a hub sound. But yeah, this bike's solid. I think it weighs just under 23 pounds now. It's probably like 22.8 or something like that. But that wraps up my bike. Some of you people like to know this stuff. But I ride the Fox helmet. I don't know which one it is. It's alright. The foam falls out really easy, like it's kind of shitty. But it's really light and fits your head really good. And I got these shoes. They are Vans. The tread's sick. They don't wear out that fast. They're really light. I think they're like the Vans LXVI or something stupid like that. I have no idea what it means, but they're sick. They're light. Yeah. I usually wear shin guards. I have Fox shin guards. But yeah, so I'll give you a quick close-up of the bike. As you can see that crossbar there, it's pretty sick. But yeah, there's the Odyssey Hazard bike. Yeah, but it's a sick bike. It's my baby. I love it. So it is snowing out, and there is lots of snow on the ground. So I won't be able to get a riding video, but yeah. Thanks for watching. If you want any reviews on any of these parts, just let me know. I'll do a video. Okay, bye.